How to fix iPhone low network problem. The first thing you have to do is scroll down from the top right corner of your screen and look at the control center. Here, in this part of the control center, make sure you have a good Wi-Fi connected or else you haven't cellular data turned on. If not, make sure it is turned on and make sure that you have a secured and safe internet connected. You can also do this by going to the settings and checking on the cellular settings in your settings app. Here, if everything is fine, the next thing that you have to check is go back to the home screen again and then scroll down from the top right corner once again and turn on and turn off your airplane mode. You can simply do this by going to the control center and clicking on the airplane icon you can see on the top left. Turn the airplane mode on and then turn it back off once again. The third thing to do is go to your settings and general and then to software update and check if you have any latest software updates to be done. If so, you can either choose to update now or update tonight according to your wish, and this might solve your problem. The fourth option is to go to general and scroll down and click on shutdown. This will shut down your device by sliding to power off option and then turn it back again. Shutting your device may also help reset your settings. And if the network settings are still not working, scroll down to the settings general page and here you can see an option to transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset and then this will reset your network settings, after which you can easily fix your low network problem in your iPhone devices. I hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos.